Good morning and welcome dear students to online English video class. Today we are going to solve exercise number A to C of chapter 2, that is noun number. The study material of chapter 2 has been already given on Campus Care. Those who have not seen it, please go through it. So without waste of time, let us begin the class with exercise A. Exercise A is saying that change the following sentences into plural form. So here are some sentences which you have to change singular to plural. Clear? So the first is there is a bronze statue in Mrs. Sen's room. Okay, so the answer will be is becomes a. This is becomes a. Then statue will be statues. Clear? So like that was our answer will be there are bronze statues in Mrs. Sen's room. Number two, I took the child to the doctors. Okay, then here I change into we and then child into children. Okay, so answer becomes like that we took the children to the doctors. Clear? Now the next will be Rashi said that her tooth was aching. So children, that here tooth become teeth. Okay, TEETH. Okay, and then was will be were. So Rashi said that her teeth were aching. Okay, number 4, a passers-by helped me to find a taxi to go home. So the passer will be the passers. Okay, then after me changes into us, taxi will be taxis. Very easy. So like that my answer becomes a passers-by help us to find taxis to go home. Number 5, every child has brought his copy of the book. Answer will be the children have brought copies of the book. Number 6, a mother-in-law is often portrayed as evil in films. Answer will be mothers-in-law often portrayed as evil in films. Number 7, look, there's a mouse scraping up. Answer will be look, there are mice scraping off. Clear? Now number 8, the goose stretched its long leg. Answer will be the geese stretched their long necks. Number 9, has she finished all her homework? It becomes have they finished all their homework. Number 10, I could see the deer scraping away. Now answer will be I could see the deer scraping away. So here the deer of plural will be deer itself. Clear? This is used for singular and plural as well. Now exercise B. Exercise B, say whether the use of the following noun is correct or not. If you think the use of is incorrect, rewrite the sentence correctly. Number 1, the sheep grazing in the lush green field looks so picturesque. Okay, here the answer will be the sheep grazing in the lush field look. Okay, here will be look so picturesque. Clear? Number 2, every piece of news in the papers these days depressing. Here answer will be every piece of news in the paper these days is depressing. Clear? Not here will not be paper. Here see that given papers, here will be paper. Clear? Now number 3, these days the gentry in the cinema halls behave badly. The answer says these days the gentry in the cinema halls behave badly. Okay, so this behave is just used as the gentry of the word. Clear? Now number 4, are you planning to sell your old furniture? Answer will be okay, so you can see here is given furnitures, there is no furniture words. No, furniture will be furniture in plural form. So in that way it becomes are you planning to sell your old furniture? Clear? Now see the next. Number 5, my new trousers do not fit me well. Okay, so answer will be my new trousers do not fit me well. Okay, here the answer is saying, question is saying does not. No, minute trousers does not. So it is already placed as a singular plural form, so that is why it will be do not fit me. Clear? Okay, now number 6. These were There were no bread left in the bakery late morning. Okay, answer will be there was no bread left in the bakery by late morning. Clear? So here you can say that the word breads are given. Okay, there is no bread words, so that is why here the answer will be bread. Clear? No? Yes. Now number 7, the bacteria looks so huge under the microscope. Okay, bacteria. What is the bacteria's plural and singular? We'll see here. See, the answer says the bacteria looks so huge under the microscope. Okay, so children, here the bacteria word is already plural, so we will not use the words look. Okay, that will agree to the subject, the verb will agree to the subject, so that is why here the verb is not agreeing to the its subject bacteria. Okay, bacteria is already plural and the verb is put here as a singular. Clear? Now number 8, educational qualification is the main criteria for selection. Okay, here educational qualifications are the main criteria for selection. Okay, because it's talking about qualification, there is not one qualification. If one a person can have a different qualification, a number of qualification, that is why here is qualifications. Clear? Number 9, I spotted a group of at least 8 deers in the wildlife park. Now again you can see that the word deers is given. I just explained you there is no word or as deers, no, so that is why the answer becomes like that. I spotted a group of at least 8 deer in the wildlife park. Clear? Number 8. Number 10, your hairs are becoming prematurely gray. Okay, so that will be your hair is becoming prematurely gray. So dear children, in this way we have completed all the sentence of exercise number B. Now let's see what exercise C is saying. So exercise C makes sentences using the plural form of the following nouns: office, liquid, roof, brother-in-law, goose, responsibility, great aunt, story, wolf, and child. So this answer can be made by student, because the answer will be vary by different students, so you can do it by your own. So till that time, now we are going to finish our video here. We will just meet the next time with the new video, with the new chapters exercise that is left, and then after, till that time, thank you so much and have a nice day.